Hello and welcome back to another DAT tutorial video by the Everything Dentistry YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over a biology question from the Survey of Natural Sciences, and this one has to deal with genotypes and gametes and a little bit of genetics. So let's jump right into this question. This question says, assuming no linkage, how many different kinds of gametes can be produced by an organism with the genotype big A, big B, little b, and little c. So the first thing we need to recognize is that this is a trigenic genotype. So we have three genes. We have the A gene, the B gene, and the C gene. So we know that A is heterozygous, B is heterozygous, and C is homozygous, recessive. So something to know about gametes is that they are haploid. So that means that they have exactly half the genetic material of the parent. Okay, so it can give a couple different gametes. It must give one allele from each gene. Okay, so that's where the combinations come in. So it can give. Let's start with the combinations here. If it gives a big A, okay, we can make a tree here. This is one of the best ways to do it. If it gives a big A, it can give a big B, and it has to give a little c, okay? So that's one combination. The second combination, if it gives a big A, it can give a little b and a little c. It has to give a little c. Okay. Now, we have to go over the possibility of the gamete giving a little a instead of a big A. So if we consider those options, it can give a big B and a little c. It has to give a little c. That actually makes it a lot easier that it has a homozygous gene because it can only give a c, a little c. However, with the B's, you have to consider if it gives a big B or a little b. So in this case, the first case, it was big B, little c. The second case here, we have a little b, little c. And that is all of our possible gametes. So it could be big A, big B, little c, big A, little b, little c. If it gives the recessive allele, little a, big B, little c, or little a, little b, little c. So the possible gametes that it can give is 4. You only have 4 possible gametes that it can give. So those are the 4, and we know that our correct answer in this case is 4, which is E. And so there you have it. It's a pretty simple question. You just have to recall that a gamete gives exactly half of the parent's genotype in a gamete. It's a haploid gamete. Going along with our theme here of recognizing types of question, this is a gamete type of question. You have to know that gametes are haploid, and you have to be able to put together whatever method you choose. We chose a tree in this case of what those gametes are going to be, because this organism has different alleles for each gene. So we have to account for all those different combinations. So doing a tree and knowing that the organism gives a gamete that is haploid will help you solve these questions very quickly and right off the bat. This should be a quick question on the DAT. So thank you very much. If you have any additional questions, please email me, and you can see the email in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.